您好，同学们。Let's learn about how to ask someone's age. There are two ways to ask someone's age. 你几岁 and 你多大? So when to use 你几岁 and 你多大? Okay, let's learn about that. First, 你几岁? 你几岁? So this is one way to ask someone's age. However, this question is generally asked for small children, generally age group less than 10. So for example, 你几岁? 我6岁. How old are you? I am 6 years old. You cannot ask this question to your father, mother, or seniors whose age group is more than 10. Tonglama, understood? Okay, now second, 你多大? 你多大? This question is applicable for any age group. You can ask to your 爷爷奶奶爸爸妈妈哥哥都可以。懂了吗? Understood? So that's the difference between 你几岁 and 你多大. I hope you understand whom to use 你几岁 and 你多大. 懂了吗? Understood? Okay, 谢谢。